In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload shorts on YouTube from your iPhone. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So for uploading shorts on YouTube from your iPhones, first of all, open YouTube on your iPhone. Just tap on YouTube, make sure your YouTube is up to date. Here the bottom side plus icon, tap on plus icon, and right now here showing lots of videos from my iPhone, and the bottom side here showing video. Currently here is video mode, and this you need to swipe left to shorts mode so that it changes to short mode, and open camera, and here's lots of interface here, and in this left side it's exit button, and in this top side is you can add music from music library, YouTube music library. From here, as you can see, lots of music here, and select any of this, and if you choose this and then tap on arrow key and music added, and here's the right side is timer. Currently here is 15-second mode, and you can select 60-second, so that video recorded up to 60-second. You can decrease also, minimum 15-second. Then here is the camera switcher. You can tap to switch camera like that, and as you can see, camera switches here. And the second option is timer. Again, you can countdown timer for when you start recording, and also music size. So then tap on start, or you can change lots of option here. And third option is your video speed. You can increase video speed, or you can slow your video speed. And then fourth option is effect. So you can use lots of effect here like that, or you can use street view like this one. So when you move your camera like that, and it will also move your background. So you can change from here. Just tap it and download another one. So you can change camera, and you can remove this street view. Just tap on all and back, and here's lots of option here. So that way you can create YouTube shorts, or you can upload from photos library. Just tap on gallery icon, just that, and as you can see here showing your recorded video from your photos. Just tap on any video. After that, it will show video automatically resizes to your short form. So you can increase or decrease the video length. Currently maximum is 15 seconds. So then you can just tap on done. After that 15 seconds added, or you can increase more up to 60 seconds. You can create another one also playing music in the background. So after that, tap on tick mark, and as you can see, video created. And again you can add voice, or as you can see, you can add voice and increase or decrease volume, music volume like that. And you can enter text from here, just like that, and tap on done. Or you can change font style, or you can pinch out to zoom in, or pinch in through resize. Then tap on next, and now add short captions like that, and you can select your privacy, public or unlisted. Currently I'm selecting unlisted. So you can add locations and select the audience, everything. After that, finally is upload short. So you can also save as a draft, but tap on here to upload video. This video will uploading. It takes few second or minute. It depends on your internet speed and your video size. So as you can see, here's the processing ongoing. So that way you can upload or so that way you can create or upload shorts on YouTube from iPhone. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.